I think I messed up my geography. Turns out, India's states are absolutely massive. Let's see which ones top the charts in 2025. At number 5, we have Andhra Pradesh, famous for its beaches and spicy food. Number 4 is Uttar Pradesh, the land of the Taj Mahal and a gigantic population. Coming in at number 3 is Maharashtra, home to Bollywood and bustling Mumbai. Runner-up at number 2 is Madhya Pradesh, known for its jungles and ancient temples. And finally, the largest state in India is Rajasthan. Think endless deserts, majestic forts, and rich royal history. These states aren't just big in area, they're powerhouses of culture, language, and diversity. So next time you look at a map, remember, these states are like countries in themselves. How many of these did you guess right? Drop your score in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick facts.